on with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and try out this new foundation, which is the Maybelline FitMe. It's not new, but it's a new shade. It's not new, but the shade is new. So this is the Matte and Poreless in the color 358, and it's called Latte. It's fucking Fortnite. Go into a black eyeshadow. This one is just by Wet n Wild. And then just darken the eyebrows that I already have. Okay, I'm gonna conceal with Fawn. I usually don't like to do this because I feel like it's a little too light for my skin. But when I recently got my makeup done, I think she used this color. I'm just gonna use it very lightly. I'm going to set my entire face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360. This is actually the CoverGirl Queen Collection. This is a bronzer, but I'm also going to use it as a eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend that out. I don't usually do a blush. Blush is, I'm not gonna say not my thing, but I kind of skip blush a majority of the times. But we're gonna do blush today for the sake of, you know, doing it. And this is the E.L.F. blush palette in dark. And I think I want to use, I think I'm going to try her. Moving on to contour or bronze. We're going to use this, but we're going to use this lightly because she is pigmented. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Then I'm gonna go back with this fluffy face brush and blend that. Bring me comfort to my soul. I feel like under my eyes are still like a bit dark, like you can see the darkness still with that concealer. And I know not that. I don't have a setting spray that is Drugstore. Sorry. So I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus and set my face. I'm going to highlight with the Maybelline Master Highlight. I should have did a full face using Maybelline. Maybe I'll do that next, but I feel like I've already used a lot of Maybelline. So it's just going to be the same products over. But I used a lot of Maybelline in this video today. And we're going to take her down here too, because she's kind of popping. Oh, okay. Yeah, she's kind of popping, so we're going to take her down here too. So just settle down just a little bit. Next, we're going to lashes. Okay, we're gonna do lashes. I'm gonna take the car lashes in the style 48, I believe, and I'm going to reapply them because I want them lashes off camera. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face. I'm going to do bottom lash mascara with the Maybelline, what is this, Lash Sensational mascara. So I'm going to finish off with my NYX lip liner in the color Espresso and my NYX butter gloss in the color Praline, and I'll be back with the final thoughts. Okay, so here is the final product. The shirt doesn't help. I think it came out nice. I don't really like the bright concealer just because I like to do like maybe 2 shades max lighter than my skin tone. I don't really go that far above that because I just don't like the ghost look. But overall, I feel like you can be just as beat with drugstore products as you can with high-end products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.